Honestly, I have a hard time committing. Really, like I have problem with commitment. What's up, you guys? Hello, my name is Jenny and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share my top secret, which is my favorite clean beauty makeups. So all the products I actually use on daily basis for makeup are actually considered clean beauty. Now the level of the cleanness, that's hard to say because every single clean beauty brand have their own standard. I also like clean beauty not just for my skin, but usually because they are standing for the right thing. I love the fact that a lot of clean beauty products are ethically sourced, they're vegan friendly, and no animal testing. And I really love how our beauty world has come to this far to make everything better for the world. All the products I am showing are daily use products, and most actually were sponsored from previous. And so this video is actually not sponsored. I'm not required to say that I like any products. I just genuinely love these products. So if you're curious to see how I got this glowing clean beauty makeup look, keep watching. Okay, I have so many cool products and amazing products to share with you today because your girl loves to use clean beauty. I have extremely picky skin. So one day it will just be like, love you, you look glowing, you're fine, you're beautiful. And the next day you'll be like, I hate you. And then break out everywhere. So it's just very hard for me to pinpoint what my skin is like, and that's why it's so hard. Through my influencer work, I started collaborating with amazing skin beauty products, and the products I actually am showing you today are the ones I use daily basis. Now, I try not to wear makeup every day, but because my job requires me to do a lot of photo shoots and video shoots, it's kind of self-explanatory, right? So we're gonna get started. I either use concealer or foundation first, and these two are my favorites. I'm gonna start with foundation today. It is Vapour Velvet Glow Foundation. I'm not gonna look at camera for a direct color because last time I did that, it was bad. So I'm gonna shake, put it directly on my skin. I usually like to use my finger, but today I don't really have dark circles because I slept well. I slept late, but I slept well. And this is like a very velvety serum-based foundation. So you feel that it's super light. It feels like you're putting like oil on your face. It's that light consistency, but not like coconut oil, like thick oil. It feels like jojoba oil. I actually used it a lot when I had acne. One trick that I learned from a makeup artist, what you do is, because your skin has texture and your fingers have texture, if you don't want to use brush for your foundation, which I usually don't, especially if you have such thin serum-like foundation, what you can do is pull like this, right? I think I put too much today. But instead of like, I mean, you could tap it to make it dry, but if you pull, first of all, this is like anti-aging movement right here. But if you pull in the direction of your skin, it gets matched within the texture of your skin. So you could use less and has higher coverage and lasts longer. Wow, I look good today. Okay, Jenny. I used to bake my face, which is like put massive powder. For concealer, I like to use this one from RMS Beauty. On the go, I love it even for gym. I'm not a big gym makeup wearer, but sometimes because I do photo shoots and video shoots, I feel like I want to cover my dark circles. But I have it that day, very gently, and okay, I'm done. So if you like this little velvet vibe, you can leave it as is. I like to lock it down with some powder. This powder is called Filtered Effects from Thrive Cosmetics. What I really love about this is that it has a lid instead of just being a loose powder. So what you could do is open up a lid. I hate traveling or going anywhere, right, with those ones that don't have lid, because my makeup gets into such mess. So I just dip it in lightly, tap it lightly, and I just dabble. Because everything I'm using here is clean, I'm a firm believer that it's hard to find a clean beauty makeup that lasts on your face all day. So this is one of my ways of doing it to make it last longer. I'm so glad that more and more beauties are reaching out and becoming more clean beauty, because people like me who love beauty products, and like, even though I think generally I do everyday makeup on an everyday basis, I'm not a dramatic eyeshadow person, but I don't know why, even if I have it, I always look for it. So I always look for a different shade, like also during like different season. Like in spring, I like more like a pinky kind of gold look, versus in like winter, I like more like a bronzy terracotta kind of shadow. So there's a little difference in between, but it's not like significantly different. Anyway, this shadow palette is bomb. It's called Lawless, and I got the little one, and oh my god, it has every single shade that, honestly, like no joke, that I love. I like to use this color right over here, and just I like to make a little triangle like this. Kind of feel like doing a little corally today, so I'm gonna go with like a little neutral coral and put it in the front. Tapping also allows the colors to kind of be evened out. Okay, and then sometimes, like today, I'm feeling it, so I'm gonna put it on the bottom over here. And mind you guys, I'm not a pro makeup artist, and I used to really suck at shadows. I wouldn't say I'm still the best, but I know how to do my face for sure. So I'm gonna do darker shade now, and I just go over the corners. I don't know, I'm like feeling my shadow look today, so I'm gonna go a little boom, ba ba boom. My Baba Boom is still like a day look. It's not like over the top. And I use a clean brush to blend it out. Ooh, yeah. I need a little sparkle, so I'm gonna use this sparkly shade. This one. Corners. I like to put it under. My sister-in-law does this too. It brings out your eyes, and it makes it like as if you slept for days and you're ready to conquer the world. How does this look? Brown. I don't know, I've been using this brand for years and I still love it. It's called Peak Beauty. They sent me the set. The brown is almost running out. Just to clarify, I do have microdermabrasion done, so I just like to put little light powder. And this powder, like, it's like it lasts all day, so it's like unbelievable to me that this is actually clean beauty. The reason why I break out is because I'm allergic to fragrance. Oh, no. And I think there's like a whitening also, if there's any whitening effect in the, I don't know what it's called, but like there's a substance that makes your skin whiter. So a lot of K-beauties have it, so I'm extremely careful when I buy K-beauty. If it says parfum or like perfume or like fragrance, then usually it's kind of mysterious chemical. They can mix up any chemical they want and call it perfume. So I'm a little suspicious. I'm still yet to find a great clean makeup liner, so if you guys know any brands, please recommend it to me. I only use black liquid liner. Because I don't have it, I'm gonna use the Lawless black one. I think this is doing quite well. Gonna fill it in real quick. I feel like liner just completes Asian eye look. You know, like we like a little strong eye. I think it still makes me look a little dolly. Honestly, I really love this mascara. Like, I swear by it. It's from Causmetics. It's been everywhere. I actually bought it because I saw it on an Instagram ad, and I am yet to be sponsored, but I just love this. Only the downside is that if it gets into very warm or hot weather, like, it's not waterproof, so the fiber kind of starts falling off. So I don't recommend it if you're gonna work out, or if it's like a really hot, sweaty day. This is not my first recommendation, but as a clean beauty product, this is like a magic, and it doesn't sting my eye, it doesn't smell. I really like it. I currently have lash extensions, but I'm not gonna do the top. What I like to do is like bring out the bottom, because the bottom makes my lashes look pop. Oh yes, I'm feeling this mascara. Honestly, I have a hard time committing. Really, like I have problem with commitment, especially when it comes to mascara. And this is probably the first mascara in a long time that I actually used it after one bottle after the other. I think I used at least 3 tubes. So that alone means we're going steady. Like I haven't been steady with anyone or anything for a bit, and it's been a minute, but this is very rewarding to wait for. Definitely wait for what you want. Anyway, so now that I'm done with the eye look, and we're just gonna go down the face. This bronzer is bomb. It's from Vapour. Oh gosh, you guys, this is like the perfect color. Also, they sent me their brush, which actually contours my face really well. So I just like to do like the edges. It depends on your face shape, how you contour, right? I have a rounded face with a little bit of at-risk chin problem. So when I'm doing makeup, I like to highlight it like this. It makes your chin a little disappear, or double chin disappear. Makes your face look narrower. I also have like wider forehead and shorter, so I just like to put on the sides more. I feel like it defines my face more. And then like do a little sweep on my nose area, on the bottom. Like a little definition goes a long way. This is also from Vapour. It's called Aura Multi-Stick, and my color is in Spark, which is like a corally color, and I love it. I make a circle. This is multi-stick. You can use it for multiple, but I personally prefer to just use it on my cheeks. I think I am ready for that moment of highlighter. Oh my gosh, you guys, highlighter in a clean beauty world. I don't know if you watched the documentary about mica, how it's produced and how it's unethical and how it's like a child slavery. That made me cry, and it made me really rethink makeup a lot. Actually trying harder not to use mica-based product, or unless it's ethically sourced mica products. And I actually read this on P.Volve website that I think I'm gonna pronounce it Either Beauty. This product is actually ethically sourced with their mica and the pigment, y'all. Oof, girl. Okay, you know your girl loves a good highlighter. Actually don't have a mirror here, and I love that they made it without mirrors so that it could be more. It could be reusable, sustainable. Like I love these clean beauties because it's more than just beauty products. It's like caring for the environment, caring for the people, caring for the animals, and I think that's a huge thing. Okay, I'm gonna go on the highest points of my cheek. Oh my god. Okay, so look at this. And look at this. I mean, I have pretty good cheekbones, but this is another level. I kind of tend to abuse highlighter, and I used to like love that Tin Man look. I don't know, you probably used to see me with like massive highlighter. I kind of calmed down now, you know, because I'm getting older. I should behave a little more. Just like Cupid. I have little tiny plumpy lips. It's not big, but it's got its shape. It's cute. Not too much. Okay, I like to do the tip of the nose because I think it makes your nose look cute. Lips is something that I'm inconsistent. This is more skincare, but I still use it like every day. So I don't like, with like masks and with just everything going on, I don't like to put a lot of lipstick because like I just hate seeing my lipstick stain on my mask, and I just have this whole weird fear that when I take off the mask I would look like smudged Joker face. So I usually use fresh sugar lip balm. Yo, like there's a hole. This is bomb. This is my go-to. Now if you want to make it extra, I like to put a little color. This is how you know I used it a lot. Like I'm running out of it. This is Honest Beauty lip crayon in color Blossom Demi Matte. Goes on so smoothly, and it feels like it completes my look. Now we're gonna go extra. So we're gonna use a Vapour lip gloss called Lucid. It's translucent and has a little spark. I personally have this thing where I don't like to use lip gloss with brushes when I already have color lips. So I'm gonna do it on my on my hand. Especially when it comes to a lipstick, you eat it. You know, you eat a lot, and if you kiss someone, they eat it too. Whether it's your kids, husband, boyfriend, whoever. We don't do boys, but yeah. Alright, so now this look is complete. And it didn't take that long. I was talking and I still did makeup and it still didn't take that long to do it. So hope you really like this look. This is my final look. It's a little bit of everything and it's definitely an everyday look. Well, now you have all my secrets. You know where my clean beauty glow look is coming from. If you like this video, thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if I missed any clean beauty products I should try out too. So comment below. Thank you for coming and see you next time.